How's it going, everybody? In this video, we took out the engine in my my '93 Peterbilt, and I figured, I'd post it. It's not the greatest video taken out there, so I did speed it up a bit, and it's not very long. It was like 30 minutes long. I did cut a few bits out of it because it's like 30 minutes long, and the phone died in between, so I had to switch it out. So yeah, if you enjoy the video, that's cool. We were taking the engine out, and at that time we didn't get the other engine in, which we did eventually down the road, but I did not have time to record at that time when we put it in, so I'm sorry about that. I will post a few pictures of the engine being in the truck and a few pictures of it painted before we put it in the truck. Like, we painted the bottom half, we didn't paint the top half, but that's because we're gonna end up replacing the top half, so of the engine. So yeah, if you enjoy the video, please give it a comment below. I really don't give a shit about likes. Tell me if you like it or something like that. But if you don't, I don't know, whatever, don't watch it. That's your problem. So if you enjoyed it, cool, thanks. Yeah, if you didn't, kiss butt. I'm out.
Imagine